Hello students, today I am explaining you find a mean by shortcut method for discrete frequency distribution table. Here in the question they given weight and number of students and weights given 67, 70, 72, 73 and 75. Number of students 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. Now I am going to find the mean by shortcut method. Solution. So in solution I am writing that horizontal columns in vertically and extra I prepare two columns. That is what di, which will get by xi minus a, and next column is a fi into di. Okay, so first we will total the frequency values. So the sum of frequency here we are going to take as n, or we can take it as a sigma fi also. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. Sum of frequency is what? 12. Next, find di. It will get by xi minus a. So first we take a value. So assume a value from xi values. So any one of these value can assume as a. So now I am assuming a as 72. A is what? 72. So here we write xi minus a. This is xi and it is a. So what should we write here? 67 minus a. A is what? 72. Is equals to how much we get? Minus 5. And next it is what? 70 is the xi value and a is 72 is equals to minus 2. And next 72 minus 72 is equals to 0. Here 73 minus 72 is equals to 1. 75 minus 72 is equals to what? 3. Here we got the di values as minus 5, minus 2, 0, 1 and 3. Next we find fi into di. Fi is what? 4. 4 into minus 5 is what? Minus 20. Here 3 into minus 2 is what? Minus 6. So 2 into 0 is 0. 2 ones are 2. Again 1 3s are 3. Now we have to find sigma fi di value. So first we simplify the negative values and also positive values. So sum of the negative values is what? Minus 26. Minus 20 and minus 6 is what? Minus 26. And 2 plus 3 is what? 5. So here minus 26 plus 5 is equals to minus 21. Now we write the formula. Mean is equals to a plus sigma fi di by n. This is the formula of shortcut method of the mean. So your mean is equals to what is a? A is 72 plus sigma fi di is minus 21 by ni value is 12. And next write 72 and plus into minus 21 by 12 is equals to, if we simplify these two values, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. So it is 72 minus 7 by 4. 7 divided with 4. 7 divided with 4. 4 ones are 4. 3 remain. Put your point and take here 0. And 4 sevens are 28. And minus it. 2 remain. Already point is there. You can write 0 is here. And 4 5s are 20. So we can write it now. 72 minus 7 divided by 4 is how much? 1.75. Now we minus this 1.75 from what? 72. See how I divide, how I minus here? 72 minus with 1.75. We can write here 0 and 0. So 5, and it is what? 9 minus 7 is 2.0, and this is 7. 70.25. Therefore, mean is equals to 70.25. This is answer. Now, here the question is about finding median by step deviation method. To what? It is a discrete frequency distribution table. Question given xi values are 200, 600, 1000, 1400, 1800, 2200. And frequency values given 142, 265, 560, 271, 89 and 60. So for solution purpose, write this horizontal column in vertically and prepare 2 more boxes, 2 more columns. The first column, which one I prepared newly, that is what? The first one is ui. Here ui is equals to xi minus a by h. This ui value will get by xi minus a, which is di. In previous problem we did it that. So xi minus a by h. Here h is what? Class difference. And next new one, fi into ui. See, first we total the fi values. You can say that is what? N is equals to 7, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 6 is 23. 4 plus 6, 10, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 23, 23 plus 8, 31, 32 and 34. 3, 4. 1 plus 2 is 3, 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 is what? 13. Sum of frequencies 1343. Next we have to find ui. The first ui value we get by xi. Xi is what? 200. 200 minus a. So assume any one of the value from xi is as a. So I am assuming this 1400 as a. So a is what? 1400 divided by h. H is, so difference between two the consecutive numbers. 600 minus 200 is 400. Here 1000 minus 600 is also 400. 1400 minus 1000 is also 400. 1800 minus 1400 is also 400. Here 2200 and 1800 is also 400. So that is what? H. So is equals to, if you minus these two, will get minus 1200 by 400. Cancel these 2 zeros and 4 3s are 12. So this is what? Minus 3. ui is equals to minus 3. Now I am going to find next second ui value. So in second ui, their xi is what? 600 and 600. Xi is a 600 minus a. A is what? 1400 divided by h is what? 400 is equals to 600 minus 1400 is minus 800 divided by 400. Cancel 2 zeros and 4 ones are 4 twos are. It is what? Minus 2. This is minus 2. Now I am going to find third UI value. In third UI value, the xi value is what? 1000 minus a is 1400 by h is what? 400 is equals to, if we minus these two, we will get minus 400 divided by 400. 400 ones are 400, so its value is what? Minus 1. The third one is minus 1. Now I am finding fourth UI value. In fourth UI value, xi is 1400 and a is also 1400. xi is a 1400 and a is also 1400 by h is what? 400. So 1400 minus 1400 is a 0. 0 by 400. 0 by anything is what? 0. Right here, 0. Now fifth UI value. In fifth UI value, xi is what? 1800 and a is 1400. xi is what? 1800, a is 1400 and divided by 400. 1800 minus 400 is a 400 by 400. If we cancel it, we get 1. So this value is what? 1. Now sixth UI value, which is the last one, is equals to xi is 2200 and a is 1400. 2200 minus 1400 divided by h is what? 400. So is equals to 2200 minus 1400 is 800 divided by 400. So if we cancel these two zeros, 4 ones are and 4 twos are, is equals to 2. And one thing you remind, so the value of ui opposite of a is always 0. The value of ui opposite of a is always 0. Then after that, we can write in upwards is negative values and downwards is positive values. So upwards we can write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, like that. And downwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So we can always write in the step deviation method for the ui values 0, and above the 0 is a negative values and below the 0 is positive values. So for how to get these values, I showed with the formula ui is equals to xi minus a by h. So with the help of this formula we can find the ui values. Now we find fi into ui. So this is fi and it is ui. Plus into minus, minus, and 142 3s are 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So it is 426. Plus into minus, minus 265 into 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 13 and 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Minus 530. And 560 into minus 1 is minus 560. 271 into 0 is a 0. Anything into 0 is what? 0. And 89 ones are 89. 16 twos are what? 32. Now we are having 3 minus values and 2 positive values. So add these 3 negative values and add these 2 positive values. How much we get? See, 426 and 530 and 560 is what? 6 and 9 11 10 15. So it is minus 1516. If you add these two, we get 11, 9, 10, 12, 121. Okay, then sigma Fi ui is equals to minus 1516 plus 121. You have to minus them. So if we minus 2121 from 1516, we get what? 5, and this is 11 and 9, and 4 minus 1 is 3 and 1 is equals to minus 1395. So the value of sigma Fi ui is equals to minus 1395. Now I am writing step deviation of the mean formula. Mean is equals to a plus sigma Fi ui by n into h. This is the formula of step deviation of mean. So write mean is equals to, so A assumed as 1400, A is assumed as 1400 plus sigma Fi ui, we got minus 1395 divided by n is 1343 into h is what? 400. So is equals to 1400 and plus into minus is minus 1395 into 400 divided by 1343. So I am multiplying these two values first. 1395 is multiplying with 400. So 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36, plus 2 is 38, 4 3s are 12, 15, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. After this, write 2 more zeros. So we can write now 1400 minus, what is the product of this value? 558 000 divided by 1343. This 5,58,000 divided by 1343. So now I am going to divide it. 558 000 is divided with what? 1343. So here it is a divisor is a 4 digits number. That's what I am taking in the dividend is also 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So it is what? 5,580. So if this I take 3 times, 1343 into 3 is 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 is what? 4. 3 times. If I take 4 times, so that will be 4 times is 1, 3, 4, 3. This is 12. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 3, 5. 5, 3, 7, 2. Yes, it is 4 times. 4 times is how much? 5, 3, 5, 3, 7, 2. 5,372 is very close value. And we have to minus that. So 10 minus 2 is what? 8. 7 minus 7 is a 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. Is 2 not 8. After this, we can copy this 0. So it is 2080. 1343 goes the 2080. How many times? 1 time. So 1343. Do minus them. 10 minus 3 is what? 7. And this 7 minus 4 is 3. And this 10 minus 3 is what? 7. Now we copy the 0. It is 7,307. So in 1,343, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 21, 5 3s are 15, 17, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6,750 minus it. Then 10 minus 5 is 5, 6 minus 1 is 5, and it is 13 minus 7 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0, not need to write. And 665 is lesser than 1,343. That's why we put your, so it is goes 5 times. After this we put your point and take here 0. It is now 6,550. So how many times it will go? 1 3 4 3 into, we will check it with 4 table. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 is what? 5 3 7 2, and minus it. 10 10 minus 2 8, 14 14 minus 7 is 7, and 4 minus 3 is 1, and 6 minus 5 is also 1. This 1,178 is also lesser than 1,343. So already we taken point here. It is how many times? 4 times. Already we taken point there. That's what we put 0. So it is 11,780. So 1343 into 9 times is what? 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 38, 9 3s are 27, 30. 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So it is closer value 9 times. So this is the value of now mean. Therefore, mean is equals to 1400 minus 415.49. If you minus that value, 1400.00, and next it is 415.49. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 4 is what? 5, and 9 minus 5 is 4, and 9 minus 1 is 8, and it is 3, 13 minus 4 is 9. So it is 984.51. Therefore, mean is equals to 984.51.